we still a do. Can't escape dog it in a you. If you a look a perfect friend or a perfect girl, you still a wait for a miracle, okay?
Stony Hill Square is our location for this week's episode of Pree Dis. I'm your host, Chrissy, and you just saw our intro video, Typical Life by the law boss himself, Chronic Law. That's just a taste of what we have in store for you this week. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the offerings. Let's go.
Nighttime events in the corporate area are facing heat from the authorities, with early cutoff times being imposed on promoters of events. The music and entertainment industry has responded. We caught up with 3 industry practitioners who gave us their thoughts on the actions by the authorities.
Everybody we have Lord in the back of the body. From the mother to the stadium. Right, today's the shine up. We don't delay. Well, let's make time now.
Now to them a lack of 12 o'clock. It really now go help the younger talent them music forget play. Reason being because you know selector go try to play music forget the money spending at a party, understand? So them no want to play the younger talent them music for kinda and the party support of them energy, so no money no spend on them things. So that's one of the problem. Likewise, you know, soup and jerk chicken and them things they always sell a dance. And if the party them go over 12 o'clock, the soup man soup go spoil, the jerk chicken go spoil, you understand? Likewise, you know, you have some people cook them food 3 o'clock in the morning, wait for when party over, for people come support them.
What would you say to the authorities?
Well, all them need to do is just try to work out a better time frame with them and the promoter them, you know, and just try to work the rightful way. But I think like 2 o'clock is good enough. You understand? And maybe just try to make the party them go into an indoor event. If I even that and lock off the event 2 o'clock, you know, that is even good enough. Yeah.
So you're saying extension till 2 o'clock and more creation of indoor venues?
Yeah, because you know, we have to try to make everyone please. So if it go till 2, just make the street event, try to find a location where you can go indoor then, you understand? But to lock up the party 12 o'clock, really and truly, it will damage the music in enough way, you understand? And most overseas person, the tourists, them come because of the music, not only the food alone.
See always sexy on me, I'm a little cute face. Some can watch me style and a chat, but I time never wait. If I can apart, we take a girl man. I mean we take him anytime, anywhere of it. Hold up.
Nah, go lie, it don't look good, and people don't feel good about it, you know, cause parties, I think now everybody make money and fight, round robin, anything you want to call it, any little party, any little event, you know, that's how the people them use, and if you turn them little money, send them youth go to school, them can pay them bills them, so it worth it, you understand? So I believe say them can more than give the time for people enjoy themselves, and them have to remember say it's business, because when we go to the party them, you know, I must say white people me see, you know, and the government have to remember that. And them me see in a mingle and a dance, and the dancer them in the street, them get the classes them, so them get to teach the white people them, so them make a next piece of money, the soup man, jerk man, selector, everybody get a thing, the promo girl them, so look upon that, a whole heap of food them and stop so. Me that say, if the music disturb people, see, I believe them can find a spot and designate it to people and say, all right, you want to keep certain event past certain time, you go use that spot there. You understand? So I know them can find a plot of land somewhere. Them can give poor people and say, see that lot there, we don't want to keep certain type of event where you know say it go past the 2 o'clock range. Because I don't believe say party will like have 2 o'clock night, you know. No song can play, whole heap of song can play in a little time. I want a little period of time that. Because Jamaicans go to party 3 o'clock, look upon that. And you go like half party 2 o'clock. Nah, go work. So them can find a spot and make poor people enjoy themselves. Yeah, man.
So apart from the vendors, them, who else you think could be affected? The artists as well, producers as well?
Yeah, man, the whole way I feel it, man, then our thing, man. If my music not play, how it go work? Even though I'm an artist, producer, if me build a beat and put artist on it, 2 o'clock it lock off, me think I get for play.
Just want to ask Jamaica, like, what happens when, you know, the man will sell the seasoning, you know, the jerk seasoning, the scallion and the thyme. He no longer gets that sale because auntie can't cook a pot of soup again. Because party like half 12 o'clock. So by the time she cook the soup, 1, nobody in the there for buy the soup. 2, you know what I mean, she don't have enough time to prepare the soup as how the soup for prepare. The DJs, the selectors, you know what I mean, we buy a little laptop and create them own source of income because they might can't get a work or the work where them get now pay them enough. The man them will use them money buy some plywood, some speaker and build a sound, couple box and them make a money from that. The man who come sell Sweetie and Wrigley's, he might make a money from that and send him youth to school from that. You go lose, straight up. Would love for the patrons, because I'm a promoter as well, would love for the patrons to come out early. You know, you put on the flyer 6 p.m. to 12.
We hear the cries of the entertainment community. We hear the cries of the dancehall community. We hear the cries of the artists, the entertainers, the sound system operators. And I believe that there is a way to allow the sound system operator, the musician, the entertainer, to have their parties. If they want to party up till 5 o'clock, I still have to deal with the nurse who comes to me and says, listen, I work at KPH and I cannot sleep. 2 years ago, I said to her, we need to establish special entertainment zones. And we need to make the investments in these zones where people can go and party from sunrise to sunset to sunrise again. Because we need to embrace it. Because that is the only way we're going to ensure that the culture does not cave in on itself.
We're at Kimisha's stall in Stony Hill, and it's now time to hear another health benefit of drinking water, brought to you by Crystal Punch Refreshing Spring Water.
These benefits of drinking water are brought to you by Crystal Punch Refreshing Spring Water. Drinking water during hot temperatures prevents dry mouth. A dry mouth is uncomfortable and the summer heat influences a need for thirst. Adequate hydration keeps the throat, lips, and mouth moist, especially while sleeping. Proper hydration makes eating easier. Our saliva consists of water and requires fluids to aid in breaking down the food. A long-term dry mouth is linked to cavities and bad breath. These benefits of drinking water were brought to you by Crystal Punch Refreshing Spring Water.
We're on to our first break. Up next, we meet Conkarah and we drop a new video from JahDon. We'll be right back.
Our spirit is proud. Our spirit stands strong. Our spirit is pure. Our spirit is in song. Our spirit is at the beginning. Our spirit is there at the end. Our spirit is born in Jamaica. Our spirit will always contend. Ray and Neville, our spirit.